This is turnip greens soup. Any weather deserves a good soup, but now with the cold, it's even better. This soup is hydrating and it warms up your soul. And the ingredients are: on a high heat stove, I will start by sweating the onions. Then I will add the trio of courgette, carrot, and garlic. And I will add water and allow it to boil until all of the vegetables are very soft. As you can see, this courgette has seeds and I'm going to keep them because it really enhances the flavor, and I'm going to test my new blender and I want to see if it stays very smooth or if I need to use the chinois. This is turnip green season and I'm just missing it too much, and I don't want to let it pass without bringing a few recipes that we really love back home. And it is such a good opportunity to let you know as well that turnip greens soup, the way that my mom does it, is not like this, because she uses only potato and an onion, and I'm using courgette and carrot. So I'm making my own creativity. It's a fusion, let's say this way. And I'm just going to take advantage of the vegetables that I have, and I'm going to make it beautiful and very delicious. I love recipes. They represent so much knowledge, so much experience, tradition, and the best way of doing things. But I love to be creative and to actually adapt to what the recipe is. And at this point, I want to take advantage of the vegetables I have in the fridge. And so I adapted the recipe. But I want to tell you that this is not my mom's recipe. So I want to expose me and tell you that I'm changing it, but I'm just bringing the same value and the same wonderful experience of soup in the sofa in a cold day. If I'm inspiring you in this invitation of making soup, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like, and to comment below where you're watching from, and if you are going to make this soup or your version. I would love to know that. Please don't forget to become a wonderful Gabrielle, and I'm waiting for you. As a side note, blooper, I have to tell you that I already made 222 voiceovers for this video. What do you think about that? Leave in comments as well. I would love to know. I am finally using my beautiful new blender, and it is the Ferrari of blenders because everything is so smooth and I don't have even to use my chinois. It's just going to be brilliant. Look at this. It's just delicious. I'm so excited, and thank you for my friends because it was a gift. Yay! I'm finally adding my turnip greens and the brunoise and carrots and serving, because serving with love is the best way for you to bring the best food into your body and soul. Bon appetit!